Welcome to Review Rumble. The best file cabinet lock is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for securing your important documents and personal information, ensuring that your sensitive data remains protected from unauthorized access and potential theft, making it an essential investment for any home or office seeking peace of mind. Number 5. Primeline U9945 Drawer and Cabinet Lock. Introducing the Primeline U9945 lock, designed to keep your important files and drawers secure. It's the perfect solution for safeguarding your belongings. Crafted from die-cast and steel with a stainless steel finish, this lock is built to last. Its robust construction ensures the safety of your small items. Everything you need is included for immediate use. It comes with multiple cams, a trim collar, washers, keys, and fasteners for your convenience. Adding extra security to your cabinets and drawers is effortless. Installation is quick and easy, suitable for both metal and wood panels. This lock features a specific cylinder diameter and length, designed to fit panels up to 13-16 inches thick. Please check the dimensions to ensure compatibility. Ideal for securing cabinet doors, drawers, and more. The included hex nut provides a reliable way to keep your spaces protected. What we like. This lock offers robust security with its durable stainless steel construction, perfect for thicker panels up to 13-16 inches. If you need a reliable lock for substantial cabinet or drawer materials, this is a great choice. It comes with all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation, making it ideal for those who want a secure and lasting solution. What people say. The lock was easy to install and worked perfectly. It fit the filing cabinet exactly and is very secure. The replacement lock was a perfect match for the original and functioned smoothly. Number 4. Primeline U9941 Die-Cast Drawer and Cabinet Lock. Keep your important files, drawers, and small items secure with this easy-to-use lock. It's designed for straightforward installation on various surfaces. This set comes with everything you need for installation. It includes 3 cams, a trim collar, 2 washers, and 2 keys with fasteners. Adding extra security to your drawers and cabinets is a breeze. You can quickly mount it on both metal and wood panels without any hassle. Constructed with robust die-cast and steel components, this lock offers lasting durability. Its stainless steel finish ensures it can withstand daily use. With a 5/8-inch length, it's designed to accommodate panels up to 5/16-inch thick. The 3/4-inch cylinder diameter ensures a secure fit. This lock features a Yale Y11 keyway, meaning it's key-to-like for your convenience. You can easily secure multiple drawers or cabinets with the same key. What we like. This lock is designed for thinner panels, accommodating up to 5/16-inch thickness, and features a compact 5/8-inch length. If you're working with thinner materials or need a lock for smaller drawers and cabinets, this is an excellent option. The key-to-like feature is particularly useful if you have multiple units that you want to open with the same key, simplifying access. What people say. This die-cast lock was a great replacement for my gun case, sturdy, smooth, and easy to install. The multiple cams gave me flexibility to match the original setup, and the trim collar added a clean, finished look. The included washers and keys made the swap simple, and the build quality holds up well in Florida's humidity. A dependable upgrade for anyone needing reliable cabinet or case security. Came with different shaped and size lock arms to fit multiple applications. Just make sure you measure for the proper depth you need to match original or replacement and lock arms as per kit. Number 3. Primeline U9943 Die-Cast Drawer and Cabinet Lock. Keep your important files, drawers, and small items safe with this reliable lock. It's designed for easy security of your cabinets and drawers. This set comes with everything you need for installation. It includes 3 cams, a trim collar, 2 washers, and 2 keys with fasteners. Adding extra security to your drawers and small items is simple. It can be quickly mounted on both metal and wood panels. Constructed with durable die-cast and steel components, this lock features a stainless steel finish. It's built strong to keep your belongings protected. With a 7/8-inch length and a 3/4-inch cylinder diameter, it fits panels up to 9/16-inch thick. It's the ideal solution for your security needs. Each lock is keyed differently, utilizing a Yale Y11 keyway for enhanced security. This ensures that only your keys can access your secured items. What we like. With its keyed differently feature, this lock provides enhanced security for individual drawers or cabinets, ensuring each has a unique key. It's suitable for panels up to 9/16-inch thick and boasts durable diecast and steel construction. If you prioritize distinct access for different compartments or are looking for a balance of security and durability for medium-thickness panels, this lock is a strong contender. What people say. Easy to install, even if your cabinet mount is a little different. Worked fine, all secure. Great lock, I bought it to replace a cabinet lock I'd lost the key to and it was an easy install. It's built good, key slides in out nicely and I have the use of my cabinet back. Works well, I purchased this to add a lock to an IKEA drawer. I was able to fit it into a typical drawer easily. Number 2. HON 1-Key HF24.X File Cabinet Lock Replacement. Easily enhance the security of your file cabinets with our replacement lock. It's designed for quick and simple installation into existing cylinders. Coordinate key codes across multiple office components with this key-to-like lock. This provides a streamlined and secure solution for your workspace. This lock features a core specially shaped for HON vertical files. It fits panels up to 1/2-inch thick, ensuring a perfect fit. The durable chrome finish seamlessly blends with all HON metal files, desks, and overhead cabinets. It offers both security and aesthetic appeal. Update your security requirements for any HON cabinet built after January 1997. This replacement lock offers a modern and reliable solution. Install this lock quickly and easily into any vertical file. It's the perfect way to update your security without hassle. What we like. This lock is specifically engineered for HON vertical filing cabinets manufactured after January 1997, offering a seamless fit and updated security. If you own HON furniture and need a replacement or upgrade, this is the most compatible option. Its chrome finish also ensures it blends perfectly with existing HON metal desks and cabinets, maintaining a cohesive office aesthetic. What people say. I actually received the entire lock kit, including all the parts and linkages needed to install the lock on a HON F24 cabinet that did not originally include a lock mechanism. It was easy to install after watching the YouTube installation video for the F24 HON cabinet. Installed in a few minutes on my 1997 HON model M254 file cabinet. My file cabinet model didn't match any of the model numbers for lock sets, but this one is the one that was supposed to work, based on the year, and based on the location of the knockout plug. Number 1. GOLDENWARM Key-to-Like Cabinet Cam Lock. Introducing the GOLDENWARM Key-to-Like Cabinet Cam Lock, designed for ultimate convenience and security. This lock offers a robust solution for your cabinets and drawers. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy with a satin nickel finish, this lock is built to last. Its electroplating coating ensures toughness for long-term use. Enjoy the simplicity of our key-to-like feature. One key can effortlessly open all your locks, streamlining access to your toolboxes, mailboxes, and more. Installation is a breeze. With the included hardware and clear instructions, you can have this cam lock set up in just a few minutes. Each set comes complete with one cylinder, 2 latches, and 2 keys, providing everything you need for immediate use. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer service. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like. This lock offers the ultimate convenience with its key-to-like feature, allowing one key to open multiple locks, which is perfect for toolboxes, mailboxes, or multiple drawers. Constructed from durable zinc alloy with an electroplating coating, it's built to last. If you value ease of access across several locking points and appreciate the peace of mind that comes with a 1-year warranty, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The lock was easy to install and fit perfectly. It feels very sturdy and secure, providing peace of mind. The key operates smoothly and the lock engages reliably. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.